PVH, we bought the 140 puts. PVH, daily chart. PVH, down $30. 141 was a high. Right now we're printing. We bought the 140 puts. These are going to gap up $20 a contract. And we bought 10 of them at $7.70. We bought them on the high, unfortunately. But it doesn't matter. With PVH gapping down $30, these 140 puts are going to pay astronomical. They're going to gap up $20, and we got 10 contracts. You can call that $20,000 profit right there. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Start trading with Tommy Trader. Let's get together. We have a correction. We are going lower. Let us help you manage your risk. 140 puts pay.